Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Hubot token. Now the Hubot token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange starting tomorrow, January 13th. Ticker symbol is HBT. We're going to go over the information on the Hubot token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 13th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol HBT. And then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a Git book, which is basically like a white paper that has all sorts of information at hubot.gitbook.io. So it gives a detailed overview of the Hubot project, an innovative blockchain artificial intelligence generated code platform. Hubot aims to provide developers with an automated SDK generation tool by learning from GitHub's code repositories. The project introduces the HBT token as the core of its economic system, incentivizing code contributors and charging developers subscription fees for using the AI-generated code service. With intent-centric code generation as its core functionality, Hubot offers developers an efficient and intelligent development experience. So, Hubot aims to revolutionize the development process with AI-generated code. There are inherent risks and challenges to consider. These include potential algorithmic biases, security vulnerabilities, and the need for continuous improvements to the AI models. Additionally, adoption and acceptance from the developer community may pose challenges that require strategic outreach and education efforts. So Hubot is committed to addressing these risks and challenges to provide a seamless and reliable code generation experience. So the Hubot project aims to alleviate the challenges faced by developers in the software development process by automating code generation and providing an efficient and intelligent development experience. Hubot enhances developers' productivity and allows them to focus on more innovative and complex tasks. The primary objective of Hubot is to become a valuable assistant for developers, offering them efficient and intelligent code generation services. By combining the power of blockchain and artificial intelligence, we aim to improve developers' experiences and increase productivity. So they have some team information that you can go over on their paper where they talk about the founder, the CEO, the co-founder, the CTO, etc. So the token here, the HBT token, serves as the core of Hubot's economic system. With the supply of 50 million tokens, it acts as both an incentive mechanism for code contributors and a subscription fee for developers using the AI-generated code service. And it also is the governance token for Hubot. Holders can participate in governance and determine the future of Hubot. So they have utilities here. So one of them is code contribution rewards. So developers who contribute high quality code to the platform will be rewarded with a certain amount of HBT tokens. This incentivizes them to contribute to the community and provide a supply of high quality code for developers to utilize. Also, subscription fees and discounts. So developers using the AI generated code service are required to pay a certain amount of HBT tokens as subscription fees. Additionally, users who stake their HBT tokens will receive discounts on subscription fees, further encouraging participation in the Hubot ecosystem. So there's also governance rights and staking mechanisms. So all HBT token holders have the opportunity to stake their tokens and gain governance rights. They can participate in platform decisions, including fee structures, feature improvements, and community development. This ensures that the community's development aligns with the needs of the preferences of its users. So the allocation here, 34% of the tokens go to the AI training code contribution rewards, 38% go to AI generated code bug bounty, 5% early adopters airdrop, 8% early investors, 10% team, and 5% goes to the IDO. Now they have a roadmap up here. They just started the project in 2023 with the prototype development and testing. And then this year they're going to launch and build the ecosystem, and then there's going to be expansion and enhancements following that. Now if you want to go over the core functions in more detail, they are on their white paper. You can go over the intent-centric code generation, the intent analyst AI system, learning from GitHub code repositories, AI training code contribution rewards, AI generated code bug bounty. Now this token is on the Binance Smart Chain with a total supply of 50 million tokens. They only have 3 holders so far, so they're not even listed on Pancakeswap yet. This is a very brand new token. 18 decimal places on this token. If you want to follow their socials, I'm going to put their Twitter up on the corner of the screen here as usual. They also have a Telegram. You can find their Twitter at _Hubot. And they have 10,300 Twitter followers, 217 tweets. And they also have a Telegram at Hubot Official Community that has 6,865 members. So join that to join the conversation about this token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.